Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your order history in the GoPuff app. Because if you're trying to reorder something you loved, find a receipt, or just figure out what you even ordered last time, it's all saved right here in the app. This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, and there's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So your first step is to open the GoPuff app and make sure you're signed in. Next, you're going to tap Account in the lower right-hand corner. Now you're going to tap My Orders. Sometimes it just says Orders depending on your app. In here, you will see your past orders listed. You can tap on the one you want, and then from there you can view the order details, any delivery updates, and pull up your receipt info if you need it. And that's honestly the best and easiest way that I know how to do it. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually find your GoPuff order history, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.